On behalf of Sacred Heart Girls College Hamilton, we just wanted to say
Happy Fiji Language Week!
Welcome everyone. This week not only do we proudly celebrate Fijian Language Week, but we also celebrate Fiji's 50th year of independence on October 10th. The theme for this year is Nonguvosa Nonguisamambula, which basically translates to My language is my living link. This is important as it helps nurture our roots, our culture, and our identity. Here are a few phrases and words for you to learn throughout this week, or maybe on your next travel to Fiji.
A Fijian phrase for you to learn this week is Maikana, which means come eat. Manaka Vakalevu means thank you.
Uluvinaka means hello. Mothe, it means bye.
Rakumai means come here.
Master means pray.
Tabu means sit.
Tuvakia means stand. Bakarau means get ready.
Taulako, let's go. Aulo Maniko means I love you.
On behalf of Sacred Heart Girls College Hamilton, we just wanted to say
Happy Fiji Language Week!
A Fijian? Okay, wait, no.
Hey!
Manaka Vakalevu means thank you.
No!
Manaka. Lakomai means come here. Masu means.
Three.
Let's go means Bakarau.
No! Three. To survive.